Starbucks, one global giant, millions of customers, iconic cups, unmatched loyalty. But do you know there was a time when Starbucks was almost on the verge of shutting down? During 2008 global financial crisis, Starbucks sales were dropping sharply. Stores were increasing, but connection was falling. Customer trust was sleeping. And a $4 coffee suddenly became luxury people did not need. And instead of a panic cuts or a price reduction, he shocked the world with five key techniques. He started with rebuilding the identity. Starbucks closed 7,000 stores for an entire day just to retrain all the team on making perfect espresso. This brought back the taste and the quality people had forgotten. Because it was never about a coffee, it was about the identity. Then come the small move that changed everything. Writing customers' names on the cup. It's simple, personal, and human. When someone calls your name in a busy cafe, the place instantly feels familiar, and the lost spark returned. Scott cleaned the brand from inside, and he simplified the menu. He fixed the store layout and restored the quality. So this helped the customer easily choose the item Starbucks truly specialized and enjoy the ambience of the new layout. Then followed by innovating under pressure. While world was panicking, Starbucks innovated and introduced mobile orders and digital payments. This saved customers times and make ordering quick even during rush hours. Then he added Starbucks card, a smart move. During 2008 crisis, trust in banks was collapsed. People felt unsafe keeping money in their accounts, so they loaded money onto the Starbucks card, believing at least they could always get a coffee. Imagine that in a financial crisis, a coffee company earned more trust than a bank. Today, Starbucks is not just a brand, it's a comeback story because crisis does not define you. Your response does. Starbucks choose purpose over panic and rebuild an empire.